Welcome to the Capital Network, a place where each property has its own story, and each off-the-radar listing might just be the next wonderful getaway for you. How on earth could you end up with more than 42 acres of private wilderness, together with a snug cabin, a calm pond, already established hunting trails, and not a single neighbor to be seen, all for less than $100,000? Today, we're taking you deep into the beautiful Upper Peninsula of Michigan to look at a remote piece of land that provides privacy, freedom, and a way of life which is increasingly difficult to find. And before we finish, there's one surprising thing inside this cabin that might completely alter the way you think about off-grid living. Let's take a look. Near the peaceful village of Daggett, there is a rustic cabin which was constructed in 2015 and is situated on over 42 acres of hilly woodland. As soon as you get there, it becomes obvious that this is no ordinary piece of property. It's a place where weekends turn into adventures and busy schedules just vanish. If you go outside, you'll see a small private pond, a natural gravel pit, and some well-established hunting trails which go through the property. Hunting blinds are already set up, so the property is ready for outdoor enthusiasts right from the start. Whether you like hiking, wildlife photography, ATV riding, or just sitting in complete silence among the natural surroundings, there are endless possibilities on this land. The cabin has a timeless Northwoods character because of its appealing stone and shake exterior, and so blends in well with its surroundings. Since there is a detached garage, you have plenty of space for your truck, your outdoor equipment, or your recreational vehicles, which makes the property both practical and peaceful. Within the house, you will find a living area of about 1,200 square feet that has been thoughtfully designed. The open-plan living room has a warm and welcoming atmosphere, with a freestanding wood-burning stove acting as both the main source of heat and the focal point of the home. The durable stamped concrete floors provide a neat, rustic appearance and are capable of withstanding many years of outdoor use. The kitchen is simple, functional, and efficient since it provides all the facilities required for either a weekend trip or a longer stay. There are 2 comfortable bedrooms which offer room for both the family and visitors, and one of the rooms has exposed ceiling beams that give the house a genuine cabin atmosphere that cannot be achieved in more modern suburban property. A spacious loft is located above the main living area and would be ideal to use as a guest room, a reading nook, a place for hobbies, or extra storage. The cabin thus gains greater flexibility without losing its open and airy atmosphere. What actually sets this property apart is the following. The cabin is entirely off the grid. It has no connection to city utilities, no municipal water supply, and no conventional septic system. To some people, this might seem like a difficulty, but to others, it is precisely the kind of situation they have been looking for. An opportunity to lead a simpler and more independent life in their own way. You can install modern systems if you want to, or else enjoy the freedom of living nearer to nature. This property presents an excellent opportunity, something that is becoming rarer and rarer. No matter what you're looking for, a private hunting camp, a weekend retreat, or the basis for your future off-grid homestead, please leave your comments below. If you like finding hidden real estate gems, affordable cabins, and other unique properties from all over America, don't forget to subscribe. Now we'll step back and let you enjoy the cabin, the land, and the peaceful atmosphere of this hidden Michigan retreat.